All right, hey, how's it going, guys? Super Dope Runs here with another mother video. We're gonna get this started. I know it's been a while. Don't worry, like it was definitely for a good reason. We got all the problem solvers right there for sure. All right, well, without further ado, let's get started right to the video. So I can see my Z06 is over there. Q50 is right here. She is nowhere. I did not sell it, so don't even think that. But what we're gonna do today is I got this idea actually from NY Alex. He has a Q50 on Z1 turbos. He's honestly like one of the first ones in like pushing the car to its limits. But I asked him for his tire specs because I liked his fire setup. So I got the same tire as him. I don't know what wheels he went with, but I went with these. So these are 15-inch. So I'm probably gonna be like because it seems like he was the first person to rock 15s on a Q50. So I'm probably gonna be the second person, if that even matters to anyone. But these are 15 by 8, 0 offset. I already test fitted them. The wheels fit fine. They cleared my brakes. As you remember, I don't have Akibonos in the rear. I only have Akibonos in the front. But right now, what we're gonna go do is we're gonna go get them mounted, balanced, and everything, so I can throw them on today and see how they look. I don't have coilovers for this car yet, but I'm pretty sure I might need coils because I feel like it's gonna hit on the fender. But that's fine if I do. I'll just order coilovers. But I'm just trying to cheap out a little bit right now. But it is what it is, you know, because I just spent so much money. Because I don't know if you guys can see, but look what's right there. Sheesh. I went with the Z1 turbos. This thing, I'm pushing it to its limits. I literally have bought so much parts for this car. It's just been such a hassle getting them here and just waiting on parts and all that stuff. But as you can see, I got a bunch of some Z1 stuff over here. Trans mount, radiator cap, some other miscellaneous things. I bought some stuff from Pride also. So definitely more videos are coming soon. Like it's about to be back-to-back videos, like for sure. But today what we're gonna be doing is putting the new welds on. And yeah, as you can see, damn, she still looks good. She's been sitting in the garage for a while. But I love the new hood vents I did. Love them. All right, well, let's get it loaded up. All right, got them all loaded up. And so you guys didn't know my tire size. I went 275, 60, 15. I don't gatekeep my stuff. I just, let me know, and I'll tell you right there. Just hit me up in the comments. But all right, and we're back. Look how they looking. Oh my goodness. Bro, they look clean. I went with the really meaty setup this time. I guess last time my setup was really meaty. These aren't as wide. The other ones I had were 305s, but I heard really good things about these tires on the street. And also, I wanted a bigger sidewall, and I don't think that a 305 would have fit. Or it would have looked just, I don't think it would. I don't know if it would have fit, honestly. Because these are 15 by 8s. My bad, I'm dying. These are 15 by 8s, and my old wheels used to be 17 by 10. So they were definitely wider. But these are the only ones that would clear the brakes and everything and not hit any control arms or anything. But without further ado, I already put the Q over here. Let's get her started. So these are the daily wheels that I have for it. Remember, my car is on RSR downs. Not super downs, just the downs. Don't forget, just the downs. I have obviously the Nismos. And it's a staggered setup. 9.5, 10.5 in rear. So yeah, let's see if they'll fit. Hopefully they do, but I guess we'll see. All right, so there it is. Dang, it looks good. Oh my God. I'm definitely gonna have to get coilovers though, because this is gonna rub for sure. Like, for sure gonna rub, like without a doubt. Because look how close it is everywhere. any bump, it's just gonna be digging into the tire. So I definitely need coilovers so I can raise it up a little bit. So I don't have issues. I really don't want to have issues. But dang, sheesh. Look at this. Oh my God, bro. Can't wait. Can't wait to be gabbing. These things better hook, I swear to God. But, so there it is, guys. This is probably like the second Q50. The first one is NY Alex. Shout out to him. He gave me the tire specs. Glad. Shout out to him because a lot of people don't like giving your tire specs, wheel specs. Personally, me, I don't care. But shout out to him because a lot of people really won't give you their specs because they don't want you to have the same specs. But that's gonna conclude this video, guys. Obviously, I had to run some aftermarket lug nuts. Stock ones don't fit. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one because we got definitely way more. We got a bunch of parts just chilling here, just waiting to get thrown on. But yeah, next video will either be the Z1 turbos or all the Pride stuff I got, because I got the Pride pickup, the diff brace, trans mount. I got a bunch of stuff for this car. This Q50 is, I want to set records with this car. I'm not even BSing. Like, at this point, with all the stuff I bought for this car, like, I'm trying to freaking, I guess, be the fastest stock motor car. Hopefully. It's gonna be hard though, because I know there's a lot of setups now, and people are rocking the G25s and stuff. But hey, I guess we're gonna have to try it out, find out, and just see how the car performs. The car does well here, and hopefully I take the title for fastest Q50 in Arizona. If I do that, I'm definitely gonna go trailer the car out. Honestly, if the car is like fine, I'll even drive the car out. I'll probably drive the car to Cali, and I want to race the fastest Q50 out there, and you just keep doing it every state. I want to do the content for you guys. Honestly, like, yeah, it's cool to be the fastest, but it's whatever. At the end of the day, I really just want to make content, have fun, meet new people, and keep growing. Because if you guys do know, I obviously started a shop. So this is what I do. This is why I've been so busy lately and kind of putting this car off to the side. And plus, I've been waiting for parts. But all right, I'll start rambling on. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.